This is our mobile stand R150 for your AIOS devices from 55 to 86 inches. Let's see how to install it. To install this rack, you need no more than something sharp to cut the tape from the box and a screwdriver. This is the instruction manual that you can use for further guidance. This installation requires 2 persons and an average of 15 to 20 minutes with an electric screwdriver, probably half an hour with a manual screwdriver. So first, I'm going to take all from the box and make some space. Now the first step is to install the 4 wheels into the left and right columns. I will use the part E and F. First, insert the E, which is the washer, and then the spring washer, which is the F. Don't forget to press the brake position for the wheel. Now install the 4 wheels. After installing the wheels, we take this plate and now we will use the accessories A, which are these screws. Before installing it, we need to identify the holes in the columns. There are 3 on one side and 6 on the other. We have to focus on the side with the 3 holes and decide the height for our display. In my case, I'm installing a 75-inch display, and for my height, which is 1.7 meters or 5'6", I will choose the second hole. Now I am installing the left and the right columns to the plate. 3 screws per column, 6 in total. Next and final step is to install the tray. For this, we need to identify this hole from both columns. Do not insert the screw all the way in. Leave a small gap to place the tray. Once the tray fits into the screw gap, tighten the screws and insert the other 2 screws into each column. Now our stand is ready to be used. If you purchased a new AIOS, it will have a wall mounting bracket installed. First, we need to remove the screws and the bracket. We will use either the screw B or C and the washer D. Usually the screw C is the right one for most of the AIOS sizes. Make sure that the safety screw from the bracket is facing up. When we insert the screw, sometimes the safety screw may be an obstacle, so I suggest you unlock the safety screw first. We mount the AIOS to the stand. Be sure it is centered, and lock the 2 safety screws. That's it, now you can enjoy your stand and your AIOS. Thank you for watching.